Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So in today's session I'm going to take few trades. For me this candle has to come down. Okay, for me this candle has to come down because I'm not seeing here any kind of level. So okay, you can see market closed here. So what does it means? It means that the next candle will definitely go down. So it is going down, and you can see this level. I have drawn this level last night. So exactly from this level market is getting the rejection, so it means that our levels are perfect. So if the market goes up, okay, I can go here with the sellers now. At this time the candle has to close at my entry point, or it will close below this area. So let's see. Okay, I already got here a 5-second confirmation and strong sellers entry, so therefore I am trusting this candle. So this candle will again go down. You will see it is a strong candlestick move, so therefore I won this trade. Now you can see how market came down. Okay, so let me change the pair and I'm going to analyze the market again. Okay, so it is a very strong bullish momentum, so I need to change the pair again. Now here I can see, okay, I need to analyze the market here. Okay, I need to find a level. Okay, so at this area, okay, so after this candlestick, this candle can also close here as a bearish, so I can go here with the sellers. I have taken my trade here in a down direction, and the candle has to go down because this candle is a sign of continuation and the buyers are waiting here. So therefore this candle has to get a rejection and it has to come down again. So let's see. Okay, I need to secure myself here. Okay, so I have secured also myself here. Now you will see market will get a rejection and this candle will close below our entry points, because this is the area where I am not seeing any kind of level. So therefore I took my trade in a down direction, and now you will see market has to get a rejection and it has to close like this. So now you can see market is going down, so therefore I won this trade. So let's analyze another market. Okay, so here in this zone I can easily go here with the sellers. If you analyze the market here, you can see candle close exactly at the sellers area. So this is the sellers area and the minor trend is a downtrend, so the movement of this trend is a down movement. Now you can see market hit this level again, closing here, so therefore I can expect here a bearish candlestick and I can expect here a M pattern also. Now you can see, let me show you here, up, down, again up, again down. So this is a M pattern or double top pattern. So now you can see market is exactly moving in the direction as per our requirement. So let's analyze another market. Okay, so at this area I can easily go here with the sellers, because you can see here after this breakout still I am seeing here a seller's entry. So market will get a rejection from this point and it will go down. So let's see. Okay, for me the candle has to go down. Yes, it is going down. So this will be my last trade, and after that I will explain all the trades once, then I will end the session. So you can see how I am trading, and I took 4 trades in 5 minutes and I won all of them. So no one can say that this is luck. This is pure analysis which I am doing. It is a pure analysis. So therefore you can see I won my trade, and now you can see again market is going up because of the level, because of the buyer's entry. You can see here. So let me show you my trades, and I'm going to explain them all one by one. Okay, so I started my trading from this candle. Okay, so now you can see that I took my trade here in a down direction. Why? This candle is a doji candle and making a new low, and if you analyze the market, this is the level. So there was a gap. So because of this gap I took my trade here, because in the middle of the trend this candle is a sign of continuation. So therefore I took my trade, and now you can see how market went down. So you need to check the market situation. Okay, so if you analyze the market more here in this zone, why this candle is reversing? Because you can see here from this zone I am seeing here a strong buyer's entry. Let me draw the line here. So now you can see market started from this point hitting this area, so therefore again market going up. So because of this level market is going up here. So you need to analyze the market like this. Okay, so I'm going to show you here why I took my trade here. You can see here I have drawn the level here by checking the left side. Okay, now you can see I draw the level here because you can see this is the level. You can see this is the level. So therefore I took my trade here. You can see market is getting so many reversals from this zone. So therefore I took my trade, and now let me show you here in the real market. If you analyze this area, let me zoom in. Okay, so if you analyze this area, you can see here market is making a new low. There is a gap to the level, and this is a doji candle again making a new low. It means that the market will definitely come down. So I took my trade because of this analysis, and now you can see here how market went down from this point, and again it is reversing exactly from the level which I have drawn here. This is this one, you can see. So let me show you here my third trade. Okay, so now you can see here, you can see it is a bearish momentum, and now market hit this area, sellers entered, again closed at the sellers area, again sellers went down. And I told you all that in this area, if you analyze the market, I am seeing here a M pattern or double top pattern at the level. So therefore I won my trade here. Now why the next candle is going up? If you analyze the market here, it is very much simple. Now you can see market closed here at this area. On the left side I am seeing here a buyer's entry, and this is also a breakout of this level. It is a breakout of let me show you here, it is a breakout of this level. So therefore the next candle is also going up. So therefore I won my trade. Now you can see market is exactly coming at the level, closing at the level. So let me show you here my last trade which I took here. So if you analyze the market here, the first thing you can easily analyze, the overall trend was a downtrend here, minor downtrend. It is a ranging market. Now this is strong candle broke this area. Again I am seeing here is bearish spinning top, so it is a sign of continuation and also making a new low. So therefore I took my trade here, and now you can see I won my trade. And after that again market went up, coming down, again went up, again going down. So this is how you can take your trades. Now you can see again market is breaking the level. It is very much simple to analyze. Now you can see market broke this area, so therefore buyers are entering into the market here. So let me show you here. Now you can see here again, if you analyze the market here, you can see at this area I have drawn the levels. I took one trade here. Now you can see market closed here exactly at the level. So what does it means? It means that you can easily get here a reversal. So therefore market is going up and closing as a bullish. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment, and you can join our channel trading. So you can join our channel trading skills, and you can easily get a good knowledge from my videos and my channel. So my main aim is to tell you all what I learned after a very hard work, 2 years. So now you can see how I am trading. So if you want to be in profit, you need to learn each and everything, and I am explaining almost each and everything in my all videos. So kindly share, subscribe and comment and like my videos, and try to help each other in the group. So stay blessed you all, have a blessed weekend ahead. Bye for now.